This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by JASONMARSH. Nestled within the heart of a serene, family-friendly community, this spacious building lot offers an exceptional opportunity to craft your dream home. Despite its secluded feel, the property is conveniently situated within close proximity to essential amenities, including schools, shops, restaurants, and recreational facilities. Access to major highways ensures easy commuting to nearby urban centers. For more information, review the details below or contact Jason Marsh at 706-632-7311.